Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a really cool lock. I've been wanting this lock, this Squire Sal40mm aluminum bodied padlock. I saw this lock being picked on my good buddy LockChuck's channel, and for some reason I just had to have it. So I put up a post asking if anyone had it, and long and behold, my good buddy from the UK, a Scapegoat, had it and said, "Hey, Lock Junkie, I've got exactly what you need. I'll send it over." So thank you, a Scapegoat. I appreciate that. So let's see what it takes to get into it. All right. I'm going to use top of the keyway with a 40 thousandths turner, like so. And then I'm going to use my long reach, my Cobra Instruments long reach. I really like it. All right, let's get it. There we go, and we have our open. Awesome. I really like this lock. I knew I would love it from the time I saw it. Anyway, thank you very much, a Scapegoat, for sending me that. And it is guttable, so I may gut it in another video for you. But for now, that's all I got for you. Please do me a huge favor. Like my videos, subscribe, and share my videos. It would mean so much to me. Until next time, thank you so much, and catch you later.